this interface. This is the homepage of the site. So what you do is come down here, search for the domain name. Let's say what you want to use comedylinks.com. Just and what you do is just search for it. Okay, when you search for this, it's coming up, so they will tell you if this domain name is available. Let's see if this domain name is available. Okay, this is not available. Okay, this is not available, but this other one is available, comedylinks.org. So you can go ahead and add this to carts. Once I've added that to carts, you come down to hosting. Okay, you select shared hosting, and the shared hosting feature, you choose the hosting plan you like to use. You choose the hosting plan. The billing cycle, you can choose if you need a monthly plan. You can go ahead and select monthly plan. If you want it yearly, you can also choose yearly. Okay, you can start with any of this plan. You can see the benefits, the features. Just if you work with this the one of $4 monthly, you can see the features you'll be able to access. So go ahead and choose anyone you want. You can see this is the second section. You'll be asked to select domain. You can choose this one that you already selected as the domain, right? So once you've done this finish, just go ahead and click to add to cart. Okay, next step will be to make payments, I guess. Okay, but first you have to review your what you selected. You can see LCA bank support. This is the domain name, this is the hosting plan, right? So take your time, go through it, after which you will then go ahead and click on confirm order. If you click on confirm order now, you'll be taken to the section where you'll be required to make payments, right? So put in your bank details, your bank card. Do you understand? If you might encounter any kind of difficulties in this bank card, well, I suggest you can use an online virtual card. If you like to know how to go about it, you can chat me up. I'll guide you through. So when you click on continue, you'll be debited, okay, from your card, and the company will send you your cPanel login details. Okay, when you're being sent your cPanel login details, you also receive a login link on how to log into your cPanel. So when you log into your cPanel, this is what the cPanel looks like. Okay, you'll be able to view this interface. This is where you manage all the activities in your site. So the next thing you have to do is click on File Manager. After you have accessed your cPanel, come down to File Manager. On the File Manager section, that's where you're going to upload the software I'm going to give you after the end of this video. Okay, so your domain name will appear on this section too. Don't mind all these details, all these domains here already. It's because I've been using this for most of my clients, so yours won't be as much as this. So what you do is just come down to public_html. And on public_html, that's where you upload the file that I'm going to give you. Just click on upload. Do you understand? But due to I'm using this particular site as more of a tutorial video, so I already created a subdomain for it. So I'm going to upload the file on my subdomain, right? So this is my subdomain. Where's my subdomain? Demo.master. This is my subdomain that I created. So I'll go ahead and upload my file on my subdomain, right? So I'll quickly click on upload, then select file. Okay, so this is the file that I'll give you after the end of this video. So you go ahead and upload this file. Okay, so it's loading up. Alright, so you can see our file has fully uploaded. Make sure this turns to green before you go back, please. Okay, so the next thing you have to do now, we have to extract our files, right? So you click on the right click, then extract. Okay, you click on extract files. Okay, you close this. This is the file that we uploaded, right? So you select all, you move this to your domain. Okay, you can see I'm moving this to my subdomain, right? So I'll just erase the folders, right? And then click on move files. Let's reload this, go back. You can see this is my subdomain. You can see we have been able to move these files. We'll be able to move these files to our subdomain, right? So let me just go ahead and load up this site to know if we're able to move this file, right? So let me load up this. Boom, you can see this is really awesome. This is beautiful like this, you can see. So let's go ahead to configure this site. Let's do some necessary configurations. So first thing you need to do is you need to start by creating a database, right? So to create a database, just click on come down to this section, MySQL wizard, right? On my MySQL wizard, just click on this. Then which name I will go to use for our database? We can use DemoDB for the database name. Okay, we have created that. So for the database user, we can use demo user. Password, you can come down to password generator. You can use this to generate a password. Alright, let's use this. You copy this. Please make sure you have a notepad, because these informations you need to place them on your notepad, right? So you copy out your password, then you tick that you have copied the password, then use password. You can go ahead and click on create user. Okay, please copy this username and database name because we need these informations. Okay, make sure you don't do mistake. Just follow my step. You won't have any issues if you follow this video step by step. Do you understand? So you tick all privileges, then click on next step. Alright, we have created our database, right? So come back to cPanel. Under the file manager section, you come down to include. Open this include folder. Then on the include folder, you click on config.php, right? We want to configure our database, right? So you edit. Then go ahead and place your database URL on this section, on the config.php, right? So for the URL, you paste your database URL, right? Okay, for the email, you also need your email, right? You also need your email. So let me open my email. Okay, to create your email address is very easy. Just click on create. Okay, you create your email. So let me quickly choose the email that I want to use for this. Let's say I want to use this email, info. So I want to use info at let's create a mail for it. Okay, let me show you guys how to create a mail. Okay, to create an email account, just the domain name, which domain name are we using for this. Let's use this. Then you can say info at your domain name, right? So for the password, we can generate a password. Let's say we want to use this for our password, right? We copy this, Also make sure the email password, make sure you copy it out, because you also need this. So you cannot go ahead and create, right? You can see creating email success. We have created our email address, right? Where is it? Info at, this is it. So let's check mails. Let's check mail. Then click on open. You can see. Hope you've seen that. This is the webmail, right? So this is the webmail. So let's copy our mail. Come over to this section, back to config, right? So on the config, we can now place our email that we just created, right? So that's for it. As for the this database password that we created, you copy your database password. Please don't make any mistake, because any mistake your site won't run. You paste this right here. You also go ahead and copy the database username that we created, just from here. You highlight this, come down to username, paste this right here. For the database name, so copy this, you paste that right here. So once you have done this, you can now go ahead and save. Make sure you go through it, be sure you have made the necessary changes. So we can now go ahead, you can close this. So what's next? We also need to, there's another folder we need to edit. Yes, this user class.php. We also need to edit this particular file. So what do you do here? Scroll down. So in this section for the host, you need to edit this. Yeah, so for the host, what you do here is you go ahead and copy your domain name. This is our domain name, right? So you copy this and paste this right here. Okay, you paste that right here. So for the email, where's our mail? The mail that we created. Where is it? Yes, let's copy that quickly. Then also place that here. You paste that right here. So for the password, remember we copied out our password, email password, sorry. So you copy that too. You copy that. You paste that right here. So something you need to do here. You also change the smell, okay? You can also change the bank name, right? So let's say I want to use LCL Bank Enterprise, right? Let's say I want to use this name for it. You edit that too. Okay, once I've done this, take your time, go through it, make sure I've done the necessary changes. Okay, so you go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, what else are we going to, what else, let's come back. Come down to admin. Under admin, let's include, click on include. In the include folder, right click, we need to edit this admin class, the admin class. Okay, so same goes for here, the host, we need to edit the host. So to do that, let's copy our host from here. Let's copy our host from here, then come down to the admin class, edit this. For the email, let's copy our email. You paste that right here. Let's also do this here. Yeah, quickly. So you also edit this right here. You paste your email. Okay. Don't forget to edit this too. Okay, same thing for here. I'm trying to edit the bank name. Okay, so for the email password, don't forget, you need to edit the email password. Just copy our email password. You paste that right here. Okay, so let's go through to be sure. Okay, we also need to edit this, our domain name, right? There's our domain name. Sorry, let me close this. This is our domain name. We copy this. You paste this right here. Okay, you take your time, you go through this. You can also choose change the phone number if you want, right? So let's scroll down to be sure we have done the necessary changes. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for here, so we can go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, let's close this. All right, so next thing you have to do right now is let's go ahead to upload the SQL of our file, the SQL database of our file. So click on File Manager, search for what's it called, PHPMyAdmin, right? On PHPMyAdmin, where is it? This PHPMyAdmin. So open your PHPMyAdmin. That's where you upload the SQL database of your site. So let's look for the database that we created. Here's the database name that we created. Where is it? DemoDB, right? This is the database name we created. So you click on this, you come down to import. Okay, you select choose file. Okay, on choose file you select this is the SQL database. Okay, don't worry, I'll give you access to these files. So you go ahead and click on import. You click on import. You can see we have successfully imported our SQL database. Hope you've seen that, right? So after you have imported that, you come down to admin. Okay, you need to modify this password. So what you have to do is you click on edit. Okay, and edit. Let's use the same email here for our password. We can also use some here for our password. Then click on go. So let's go ahead to log in to our admin end. So to log into admin end is is going to be our domain name /admin. Our domain name /admin. That's to log into admin end. Boom. So if you do the configuration right, you should be able to log into the admin end. So let's type in the email. admin@mail.com. Okay, this was the mail that we use. Okay, you click on login. Oops, incorrect password. Wow, incorrect password. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's check that out. Let's check that out. So is it? Okay, edit this. MD5. Where is it? MD5. Okay, click on go. Okay, where is it? Control F5. Don't forget for hard refresh. Control F5 for hard refresh. Press this. Yeah. So what you need to do now is you come down to edit once more. Okay, under edit, you'll select encrypt. Where is it? Encrypt. Yeah, see encrypt. This is it. Okay, for the password, let's use this for the password. Okay, so once I've done this, you go ahead and click on go. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that site. Don't forget hard refresh. We'll be able to log in right now. Okay, password 123. Sorry, my network was interrupted. Boom, you can see we have successfully logged into the administrative end, the admin end. You can see. So that's how you go about it. If you do the configuration right, you'll be able to log into this page. You can see how brief it is. So you can now go ahead. I've already explained how to manage the activities, most of the activities in this admin end, right? So that's how to go about it. It's very easy. Just follow my step. You'll be able to get this done as simple as possible. Okay, you can go ahead and create a new account. Okay, after creating the new after creating the new account, you can go ahead and log in. Okay, online banking, to log into the client, or you can also from this section to create the new account, just come down to create accounts, fill in this information. Do you understand? So it's very easy. It's very easy to get this done. Okay, also this file also it actually has a readme file that you can also follow. You can go through it and be able to get it done. It has a readme file. Where is it? Let me search for that. The readme file. Sorry. But that's not necessary, by the way. Just follow my step. You should be able to get this done. Okay, so that's how you can be able to create an online banking website, okay, for yourself, and you can go ahead and do more configuration. If you want us to edit this furthermore to your test, we can do that for you. Just send us a DM. So let's say you want to change, if you want to change the logo of this site, just copy link address, copy the image link address. Okay, and let's open this. Okay, to change the image of the site, you can see you have to locate this file, font. Okay, you need to locate this file, the font, img, then favicon. That's to change it. So let's quickly change that. Okay, let me show you guys how to get it done. This is quite easy. It's very easy. So what you have to do is where's our file? Where's this file? Remember fonts, right? Fonts. Okay, you can see these fonts, right? So you open this, you open img, and then favicon, right? So what you do here is click on it, then click on upload. But before then, okay, let's go ahead, upload. Then where's the file I want to use. Let me search for this file. LCL. Sorry. this is it. Let me rename this because this is the file I want to use. Rename this to favicon. No. Okay, there's another folder behind this name already. Let's rename this. Alright guys, so let's actually search for this favicon. I would like us to work with this. Let's use this one, right? But make sure the name of the favicon you want to use is in favicon.php png, sorry. Okay, so rename, make sure that's favicon you have renamed it to favicon.png. then you go ahead and upload it. So you'll be asked if you want to replace. Click on yes, override this file. Okay, then you go back. So let's quickly reload to see if you have been able to. Where's the image logo? Let's see if, okay, let's reload our sites. Let's reload our sites to see if this logo will change. Hard refresh, Control F5. At times you click on Control F5 for hard refresh. Okay, you can see our site logo has changed. That's how you go about it. Same way, if you want to edit anything on this site, on this site, what you have to do is just come down to where is it? Come down to, let's click on back or up one level. Let's select our site. Let's say you want to edit the homepage of this site. Okay, we all know the homepage is index.php. That's the homepage. Or let's say you want to edit the about page of the site. Well, all you have to do is when you click on about us, you should be able to locate. You can see about.html. So what you need to do is to go to your folder, locate about.html and edit it. Okay, so let's quickly edit. Let's quickly edit something now. So what we do is we go back to, where's our about page. Okay, this is our about.php. You select this, right click, then click on edit. Okay, so what you have to do here is just click on Ctrl F. So search, you can search for the file that you want to edit, right? So let's say we want to edit let's say we want to edit, let's say I want to edit from this section. Let's say I want to edit this. Just copy this. Then where is okay, you can paste this here. Okay, you can see it has appeared. So what do you want? You can go ahead and type in the information you want to type. Because I think I have something else that I would like to put there. Or let me say I want to put this. Let me say I want to put this on that section, right? So I'll copy this. Then what I'll do is I'll click on paste. Or just go ahead and click on paste. Okay, save this. So back to our site. Let's hard fresh, Ctrl F5 to see if this will change. Let's see if this will change. Awesome. Hope you have seen that. We have been able to change it. So follow the same process. And if I want to edit from your from your file manager, locate the folder of the file and you can go ahead and edit whatever you can, right? So thank you very much. And if you need the access to this file that was used in developing this site, what you have to do is to click on the link below this video, on the video description. You'll be able to get this link. It's very, very affordable. Okay, go ahead and purchase it and use it to develop your site. Okay, and go ahead and charge $1,000 to $2,000 to get this done for your clients. Okay, within 30 minutes or 40 minutes, you're done. That's smart work. Okay, so thank you very much. And if you really find value in this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and also click on the notification button so you get notified whenever we drop some content like this. Alright, so take care and remain blessed.